Hi everybody, I'm Carolyn with Norcross, Madagascar, and welcome to day 8 of our 12 Days of Crystal Christmas. And today it's all about bookends. These are such a cool gift. I personally have a couple sets. I've given them to people. They just love them. They're so interesting. You don't have to be a rock hound to like them. You know, I mean, so many people still have their book collections. I know we're all going to tabs and reading online and a Kindle, but we all have those books that we've kept, whether it's your mom's cookbooks or your school books or reference books for your job, or just you love reading like me. So you have 2 or 3 bookcases in your house. These are the coolest gift ever. We have them in sizes from the smallest, which we refer to as our 1 to 3 kilo size. And these are just really cute smaller ones, all the way up to really, really big ones, which I'm not sure if these ones are the really largest size, but we have the 5 to 7 kilo size. And then the other ones you're gonna see are the 3 to 5 kilo size. So it's kind of a small, medium, large when it comes to the sizes. And the pricing is anywhere from $30 a pair to $120 a pair. It depends on the stone, it depends on the quality, especially like the labradorite and the petrified wood. We have several grades. We have the regular petrified wood, we have the #1 petrified wood, which are a little bit nicer. Obviously the 1 to 3 kilo size are gonna be cheaper than the 5 to 7 kilo size. And we have them in all of our stones. I think these are one of the coolest products we have. I really do. And I say that all the time, but each and every one of them is my favorite when I look into at them. They're just gorgeous. These ones, it's kind of the best of both worlds. Everybody loves the gorgeous polished face. And this is an amazing example of top red, lavender, almost rose quartz. And you see the gorgeous polished sides of it when you look at it. But then you also see the natural beauty of the stone. So when you see this, it's not only, I've got one of my customers, it's always funny because they come in and I'm thinking they probably have 5 or 6 pairs of these right now. And it's really funny because she always looks at the back side, because that's how she displays one of them, sometimes both of them, depending. Like she's got a pair of labradorite ones that we thought they were, okay, they're kind of nice. And you can see on the labradorite this gorgeous flash. So I'm hoping you can see, let me see if I can move it. But oh wow, there we go. I just saw that. So you can see the flash on this piece. And it is gorgeous. But then if you look, I'm looking at the side and I'm not sure if you can see it. I should have probably grabbed the water, but no biggie. The back of this especially, it has some really amazing rainbows and really great character on it. So if you see them, the front is gorgeous and is flashy and is real pretty. These ones have the felt in the middle. Some of them do. On the quartzes and the rose quartzes, a lot of times, like the quartz pair we have does have it, but a lot of times with the rose quartz or the lighter stones, when light's gonna come through it, we don't put the felt on the inside just because it shows and it doesn't make it look really, really pretty. The other pair of labradorite, this pair, I was looking on camera and it's like, yeah, I really don't have to do much to see that. Wow. That right there, whoops. See, this flash is just so cool. The more I turn it, you can see this gorgeous, gorgeous flash. Almost the whole front of this is just solid flash. And I love this little piece of matrix. It almost looks like a heart. And then the back of it, I'm staring at the back and it's got amazing flash too. So that is our Bikili or our Midnight or our Electric Blue. And the piece I showed you earlier is what we call our Peacock. This guy hiding back here, let me see if I can maybe move the rose quartz and sort of debut these. These are a really cool piece of banded amethyst. They do have the felt on the inside. They do have, I think this one is one of those ones where I'm not sure which side I like better. The back of it is so gorgeous with that natural rough stone, but the front is absolutely gorgeous with the polished. So this is kind of another pair that, you know, maybe you display one way, one the other. You know, you give one half to one person, one half to the other. It's 2 gifts for the price of one. You never know. For the prices, it's really not bad. This one is another real cool one. I love the quartzes sometimes because if you have like a sunny area, or you do have a backlit area, or you even have just, you know, the little pedestals with the different color lights, putting lights under these or on these, I'm always a fan of that with the quartz. As I said, this one does have the felt inside, and that's more to protect them if people put them together, or to protect, you know, sometimes there might be like a little rough spot on them. They are natural stone, so to give a little buffer between the natural stone and the books, especially some of you who collect books, you know how expensive collector edition books can be, and the leather covers could be a little bit susceptible to scratching. So we do put the felt on the majority of them, and you can see, like, if I'm just touching the side of this, there are no sharp edges, but it's just like a little added protection for your books if you do collect them. And I think the majority of people now who have books, they do understand the importance in them, because they are kind of going the way, sadly, of the Kindle. This last pair is this pair of petrified wood bookends. I don't know, I always say this, and my desk is getting ready to collapse, but I have a feeling this one might come into my office too. The patterning on this petrified wood is just stunning. It is so cool. I absolutely love this. And you can obviously see how this is definitely one piece of petrified wood, the way it's perfectly matched. And then the back of it is just the natural wood. So you can see the absolute natural beauty of the wood. And one thing I really like about them is the outer, you know, surface of it, where you can actually see the petrified tree bark, if you will. So these are the coolest pair ever, and they're, I mean, you can see with my hand, they're really quite a substantial size. Even the tiny little rose quartz ones, I can bring that in front, they're pretty substantial. I mean, I'm going to say each one of these weighs probably a couple pounds. These petrified wood ones, though, oh my God, these are absolutely gorgeous, and I love the shape. And you can give us a call. We can do a concierge appointment with you, because each and every one of these definitely has its own character. So if you wanted to see pictures of some other ones, or see some of the other stones, we've got some cool septarian, we've got sea jasper, we've got all our stones in these. So if you want to see other ones, you want to see different variations of these stones, petrified wood, each and every pair is different. So if you do want to see other ones, I'm going to ask you to give us a call at 520-882-8884, or shoot us an email at sales@madagascarminerals.com, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. We are open Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 4:30, so we will get back to you. We will answer your calls, emails, and messages during those hours. And once again, we will be shipping priority mail. So if you order, you should, as long as the post office doesn't do their crazy things, be able to get these before Christmas with no problem. Once again, 520-882-8884 or sales@Madagascar Minerals are the way to contact us. Thank you so very much for joining us on this day 8 of the 12 days of Crystal Christmas. We're going to have some cool things happening this weekend. And also check us out on Instagram and Facebook. We posted a picture. We're having a little contest. We're sending you out some of our really cool Christmas mix as a prize if you can correctly guess, as I knock over everything, how many ornaments are on the Christmas tree, that we have replaced the ornaments with some of our favorite products. So if you can correctly guess how many there are, and you're one of the first 10 people who do that, you will get one of these wonderful bags of our Christmas mix. And if you can tell us what the items are and what the stones are, we're going to throw in an extra special little something. So please check that out. Please contact us, give us a call, shoot us an email. Thanks so much for joining us, and we will see you this weekend. Thanks.